He can take all the time he wants.
I can stand here, I can stand there, I can stand. Who am I holding up?
Sir, do you want to clear the metal detector and go to record?
Nobody behind.
I'm okay with this.
What he doesn't want you to do is interrupt what he's got going on. You don't have any part of this, right?
Interruption is a physical thing. Okay, it's not speech.
Depends. You're dividing his attention away from what he needs to do.
Does not have anything to do with this.
Okay.
You're not going to be in here. Get out of here.
Now you're telling me to leave?
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
I mean,
what if simply speaking up for someone's rights could get you arrested? In today's video, a man witnesses a police stop and decides to remind the civilians of their rights, only to be met with threats of arrest himself. Instead of upholding the Constitution, these officers resort to intimidation, unlawful searches, and blatant disregard for the law. But as we break down this interaction, we'll see how knowledge of your rights can turn the tables. Stay with us to watch how these corrupt officers get exposed, and why recording the police is more important now than ever.
Don't yell out to these guys or you're going to go to jail.
Then you're not going to like how that ends, bud.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. How are you today?
Not too shabby. Could I get your name and badge number, please?
Yeah, I'm Sergeant Winstead. K25 is my badge number.
Thank you, Sergeant. Appreciate that.
How's your day?
Well, we'll see how it goes. Hope I don't go to jail, bud. Just filming.
Yeah.
Just.
If you just want to sit around and film, that's fine. You'll be all right.
Appreciate it.
What state do you have a driver's license? I don't know.
So what's with this guy coming up to me and telling me where to stand and I'm not detained? Can I stand where I want?
Well, as long as you're not getting in their way or a safety.
Right, I'm not in anyone's way, right?
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay, and I wasn't in anyone's way when I asked. When I told that, I can tell that guy that he can withdraw consent for a search anytime he wants.
Yeah.
I have a First Amendment right to do that.
Sure.
He sat here and told me if I said anything again that he was going to throw me in jail. That's a threat.
Well,
that's unacceptable,
Sergeant.
Sergeant.
What he doesn't want you to do is interrupt what he's got going on. You don't have any part of this, right?
Interruption is a physical thing. Okay, it's not speech.
Depends. You're dividing his attention away from what he needs to do. And he needs to do his job safely.
Well, that's kind of dumb, because then if some pretty girl walks by here with nice looking shorts on and he's distracted and gets in an accident, will he blame the girl or will it be his fault?
Well, he won't be distracted.
It'll be his fault.
Now you're talking apples and oranges.
Not at all, bud. I can yell and shout and cuss, as long as there's not any kids around.
Well, then you're not disturbing anybody's peace at the same time.
Well, you're disturbing my peace. Are you going to go to jail?
I'm disturbing your peace.
Sure.
Why am I doing
Look
that?
at you're standing like 3 feet away from me.
I'm not even facing you. I'm just chatting with you.
All right.
What I'm doing is I'm making these guys more comfortable by
I've done nothing, man. He come over here like a bully. That's what happened, and you were there and you saw it, and you should reprimand him about it. These guys don't know their rights, and you guys can hem them up and jack them, do whatever you want, just because they're vulnerable.
Well, why do you think we're violating anybody's rights?
Because that's what you do every day, bud. They train you to do that.
No, come on.
You don't believe they train you to violate people's rights?
Nope.
Then what were you doing enforcing all those mandates? All those mask mandates?
We didn't enforce any mask
Sure you did.
mandates.
Sure you did.
I did?
I've got it on video.
You got me on video enforcing mask mandates?
I'm not saying you. I'm talking about
you're
talking about your organization, bud.
Where are they at?
All right, guys, we got 1, 2, 3. We got
one less of
3 patrol vehicles and 4 officers, including 1 sergeant out here for this. This guy's got Utah plates. I don't know what's going on here. I'm trying to find out. Do you know what? Are you going to share anything, Sergeant?
No, I'm just here to cover these guys if they need any help. They're doing their job.
Are you guys accused of a crime? Do you know why they jacked you?
The people couldn't be in there. I just like to show off my backpack. I don't know why. I apologize. Okay.
You guys, the best thing you do is shut up. and you guys can tell him you can stop searching anytime you want.
It is PH.
Yeah, I know that nothing I think that is like, I don't know. But if that helps the police officers know who we are, so we can keep. I just don't know where they're at.
All right, guys, I'm here in Coeur d'Alene. I'm at a little strip mall here in Riverstone. Coeur d'Alene police have been, I don't know why they're here, but they've got these two guys hemmed up, and they're just allowing these guys to violate their rights, giving them permission to violate their rights. Evidently, he's not detained. Are you detained, bud? You don't know if you're detained? Ask him. You can ask him if you're detained.
Can I sit on that chair? Can I sit on that chair? Can I sit in the chair?
Yeah. Hold on. Actually, stay on your back. I thought there was a chair.
Oh no, like the chair with their pockets.
I think these guys are just too afraid to stand up for their rights. Ask them if you're detained, bud. It's a good thing to know.
If I'm detained. Okay, so it looks like I'm detained.
You have to ask them.
Am I detained? Yes, you are. Okay.
If they say yes, ask them for what crime.
For what crime? Drug paraphernalia?
Yes.
Can I sit in?
You need to know what their probable cause was, too.
Would you consent to search your car?
In exchange for me to sit on the table and enjoy my coffee, yes.
Don't. Hey, bud, I wouldn't do that.
Because I really don't want to stand here.
If you want, I'll hang out with you when you drop coffee.
Is that? I don't care.
Thank you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right, he's giving him permission to search his car. I tried to talk him out of it. And I mean, this guy could think he's clean, and there could have been a passenger in here that left some illegal drugs in there. You don't know, but whatever they find, they're going to use against him. All right, so he revoked his consent. Now they're going to probably bring a canine out here. Well, no, they're still searching. If he's revoked consent, why are you guys still searching his car? You guys have a probable cause? So the cop's gonna invoke a right to remain silent, which he doesn't have. He's acting like a thug. Can you tell us why you pulled him over, or why you got him hemmed up?
I've informed him why. If he wants to tell you, he can.
Do you know why they got you hemmed up, bud?
I have no clue.
You want me to go back over there? I can go back over there and videotape them searching your car. They could do something illegal or plant something. All right. Got anything else to say, bud? All right.
Jay, don't get any closer than that.
Don't stand in front of me, man. That's a violation of the Constitution.
Don't get any closer.
He's trying to block my shot of the search.
It's officer safety. You can videotape all you
You
want.
should be more concerned about public safety than your own safety, bud. And our constitutional rights.
Yeah, have a good rest of your day.
All right, guys. Thank you. Become a break.
This case is a stark reminder that law enforcement officers are not always working in your best interest. The police are trained to gain compliance, often at the expense of your rights, and if you don't know the law, they will take advantage of it. This video proves why you should always question authority, always record interactions, and never assume officers will play fair. Remember, Your rights mean nothing if you don't exercise them. Stand firm, stay informed, and never let intimidation silence you. What happens when police officers think they can intimidate citizens who know their rights? In today's video, we witness multiple encounters where officers attempt to control the narrative, issue unlawful demands, and suppress public recording, all while being schooled on the very laws they're supposed to enforce. From a Karen cop demanding silence to officers blatantly disregarding legal procedures, this video proves one thing: knowledge is power. Stay with us to see how these tyrant cops get put in their place by citizens who refuse to back down.
Alright. Have a good night, Art.
Yep, you too.
Thanks. Try to enjoy it and with a big smile.
Do you know these people?
I don't answer questions.
So I'm going to ask you to move because it's not your business what they're discussing with the officers. So you can move back further where you can't hear them because they're having a private meeting. So I don't think you're involved in this.
Is there a law that says I have to do that?
I'm asking you to move.
I understand, and I'm asking you if there's a law that says I have to do that.
There's no law, but
And I am a
there's, like,
private
human
citizen,
decency.
and you will answer my questions when I ask you,
There's
okay?
human decency to live
And
in
I'm being very
privacy.
decent. I'm
Okay.
30, 40 feet away, okay? So don't try to give unlawful demands.
I just
Understood?
don't know why you're spending your time doing this.
Do we understand each other? Don't give unlawful
What are
demands.
you doing? Like, why are you
Do we
doing
understand
this?
each other? Yes or no?
I'm not
Just
answering your questions because they're adversarial.
Okay, well, you're also not controlling this conversation, so go about your business and get back to work.
You're just being rude to them. That's as a human being.
Talking
so
to you.
It's not your business.
Bye. Go back
It's
to
not your
work.
business.
Kick rocks.
I'm at my work.
And you're not doing your job.
I can be here.
You're not doing. You can
So
be
why
here
are
all
you
you
spending
want.
your night
You're
doing
not
this?
doing your job.
I'm curious.
So we got Connors, guys. Likes to give unlawful demands, trying to be
I
controlling.
just don't understand what your point is.
Now she's using her
Hi there.
phone.
What does he need? Okay, I'm out with someone who wants to film something that they're not involved in right now. So I'm hanging out with them just for a moment.
So I don't understand why they come try to give unlawful demands when they have no
I'll
authority.
take care of that later. Thanks. Bye. Good, sir. Okay. You good in here? Okay. Very good. Hope you got what you needed. If that was your family, I hope no random person's showing up and filming that. So maybe you should like check yourself that way.
Maybe you should kick rocks and go back to work.
So why do you go out at night and do this?
Go back to work. Why are you trying to talk to me? I already told you I'm not answering
What else
questions.
do you have to do tonight?
I'm not answering questions.
Okay.
Go back to work.
So you're just gonna stand out here and film at my workplace?
Absolutely.
I am working right now, so I don't have to go back anywhere.
So what's the point of giving an unlawful demand? Let me ask you that.
I asked you as a human being not to film their family.
Well,
'cause that's very
you
rude.
came up aggressively, and the average citizen who
Right.
doesn't know their rights, they would have probably bowed down and listened.
I just feel bad because these kids were so small, and to have a guy like filming them, that's kind of like,
Actually, they weren't on camera
that's
at all.
pretty rude.
They actually weren't on camera
So
at
maybe
all.
you
It was
should
just
check
you
yourself,
guys.
like as a human being, if you should be doing
Maybe
that,
you
'cause
should
that's
check
their
yourself
business.
and do your job right and stop giving
I hope
unlawful
you enjoy your
demands.
night standing out here filming.
Perfect.
Our police department.
Finally, they go back to work. Holy fuck.
Today?
I could be in here if I don't have to work. Fuck off. I ain't
We've already
recording.
gave
I'm
instructions,
trying to
okay?
talk to you guys.
We're not going to do this. We're not going to have this conversation, okay?
You're gonna listen is what you're gonna do. Check it out. This is supposed to be
We
posted.
gave you a legal order, okay?
What's the law for?
Look, if you don't have business in this courthouse, we've already explained
I'm
this.
coming to
This
get
public
public
building.
records. Is that business enough?
We will. You will
Okay,
have
then be quiet and let me do my thing. Okay,
So
check it
what
out.
you're doing right now is
Posting. I'm just trying to show you guys. This is supposed to be posted. This is why
If
these
you want to go
people
to the
don't
clerk's
know.
office, you can go to the clerk's office, but you can't stand
Look
right
at-
here and do this right now. You have to go to the metal detector.
He can take all the time he wants.
I can stand here. I can stand there. I can stand. Who am I holding up?
Sir, do you want to clear the metal detector and go to record?
Nobody behind.
I'm okay with that.
You're perfectly okay to put all your stuff in the box.
Why are you guys being so ignorant?
these
I'm trying
tyrants.
to show you guys something.
Don't you know the
Look,
law?
This is on you guys. Look, the order shall be posted at each public entrance.
Look, you don't
that's
care
all I'm
about the
trying
law.
to show you.
You don't care about the law.
Look, can you just
Law
read it?
enforcement
The
don't care
order
about the
shall
law.
be posted at each public entrance to a courthouse by the deputies. It's not posted, guys. That's why they don't know they can't record. Post this up and you're legit. I'm trying to highlight good officers. I'm looking for good officers. But you guys act like trash. Look at you guys.
Yeah,
Take
you're not
the
one of
badge,
them.
take the gun. Coward, coward, coward. I see it in your face. Don't act tough because you have a gun and a badge. Post this shit up and you're legit. And then you have a right to tell people they can't fucking come in. Alright? Now can I go get my shit? Bay Area transparency and I'm out, guys.
Hey, how you doing, sir? You doing okay? Are you eating this? Are you doing all right?
I'm gonna speak to the police, man. Sorry. I know my rights, man.
Is there anything we can help you with today?
No, you guys can leave us alone and tell that fucking stupid bitch and them to leave us alone.
We got the call that you were throwing some stuff, so we just want to make
We're casting, bro. That stupid bitch was 50. We got the whole video. Hey, you guys have a good day. Bye. You guys have a good day. Bye. I know my rights, man. You guys are gonna be on YouTube. You know how this goes. You gotta fuck with me because I know my rights. You gotta fuck with nobody on the pier because we know our rights. I got the video. That stupid bitch was too close to the pier. Go back, do fucking your job. There's no crime on the fucking Redondo Beach pier. We'd appreciate it. You guys have a good day, okay? Have a good day. All right. I don't need to respect you. I pay you. Okay, well, as long, but you're coming and just let you know you're not gonna fuck with no one today. You guys have a good day, okay? That's why I came to confront you, so you don't fuck with nobody and intimidate nobody on the pier. Okay? You guys have a good day. You guys have a good day, public servants. Okay, you too. Let's hear what this guy's got to say.
How you doing?
Oh, you're the fucking pussy that arrested me. McFarland, I remember you.
Yeah, you got
Yeah, you're the pussy that arrested me for fucking and violated my civil rights. You remember that, right? You fucking pussy. You remember that shit, right?
I remember.
You remember that. Just for having a camera in my hand, you arrested
Anything
me.
else we can help you with?
No, get this mother piece of shit out of here.
Listen, we'll have a good one. You have a good one. Okay?
Get out of here, you piece of shit.
You have a good day, sir. Hope you
This guy fucking arrested me for just having a camera in my hands
Can you not
and threw me to the ground.
Can you not
Don't
be too
fucking
close to
touch
me?
me.
Don't come too
Don't
close
fucking
to me.
touch me.
I'm just asking you
Don't
not to
fucking touch me. This is a free pier.
I know, but just don't come close.
You're not my dad, motherfucker. Who the fuck are you?
I'm just asking, don't come too close. That's all. Just keep this.
McFarland, you're a pussy. Remember you arrested me for just having a camera in my hand? And then you got a video laughing, remember, you fucking pussy? And guess what? Nothing happened.
This video is yet another example of why knowing your rights is essential. We've seen officers try to silence legal filming, restrict public access, and even escalate confrontations simply because they don't like being questioned. But as we witnessed, standing your ground and holding them accountable is the best way to fight back. If the law is on your side, intimidation won't work. Always remember, record every interaction, assert your rights, and don't let unlawful orders go unchallenged. What happens when law enforcement officers either don't understand the law or simply choose to ignore it? In today's video, we witnessed two shocking encounters, one where an officer clearly has no idea about legal detainment and another where police officers go as far as ripping off a citizen's license plate without justification. These incidents highlight the growing issue of police overreach, where those meant to uphold the law instead use intimidation and unlawful actions to exert control. Stay with us as we break down these outrageous encounters and expose the abuse of power in action.
I'm not driving. I'm not driving.
That's fine. That doesn't make a difference, sir.
It does.
If we can prove that there's a
You didn't
fictitious
pull
tag
me
on the
over.
vehicle,
You didn't pull me over. Yeah, if you can prove that, go ahead.
well, your tag doesn't come back to nothing.
Well, innocent until proven guilty, right? Go ahead, prove me guilty. I'm not
Are
doing
you
anything
living out
wrong.
your vehicle? Is that what's going on?
Hey,
What?
that's none of your business. Get away from me.
Well, that's not going to happen. Okay?
Don't insult me. Get
no
away
one's
from
insulting
me.
you. I'm asking an observation question.
Get away from me.
Paul Mary Zebra 5442 goes back to a silver Toyota to a Curtis Clark out of Edinburgh.
Hello. Please get off my car. Stop shaking it. Whoever's shaking it.
What's it?
It's good. Clear.
Okay. Did it come back to that tag or?
No, did not. We'll log it, but she's
Okay.
in the bin.
Listen, man. There's
No.
not an issue.
No.
The tag doesn't come back to your vehicle. Simple as
Either
that.
you have no right to stop to wake me up.
We do.
Do all this. No, you
We
don't.
don't know what you're
no,
doing.
you don't.
That's fine.
No, you not knowing what I'm doing is not a reason.
Well,
Okay,
we're investigating
that's
your
not
tag.
against the law. So
We're
get away
investigating
from
your
me.
tag.
Get away from
No,
me.
I don't have to. You understand? You need to calm down for no reason. You're getting upset for no reason. 'Cause
I'm
we
not
woke you
getting
up.
upset for no reason.
You
You're
are.
being disrespectful.
No, you are, sir.
You're acting like I did something wrong.
Well, you have a tag
So
on
get
your
away
vehicle that
from
doesn't
me.
go back to your vehicle.
Get away from me.
So that's why we're investigating. And then we saw your windows down, and I don't know if you know where you're at, but vehicles get broken into around here, okay? And stolen.
Really?
And
You
then you're
saw
asleep
my
in your
windows
vehicle.
down. Oh, and then, oh my goodness, you saw I was in here, so
Yeah.
it's probably not going to get broken into while
So
I'm in
we
it.
woke
Am
you
I
up.
right?
That's what we did. That's all we did.
Nothing what you're saying is making sense. It's not logical. It doesn't
It
follow
is.
a
You have
line.
a tag that doesn't come back to your vehicle.
You're a manipulative
on your
cop.
vehicle.
You're a bad cop. Get away from me.
Well, you can have that opinion. That's fine.
It's not an opinion.
It is, sir.
That's a fact.
It's not a fact. The fact is that you have a tag on your vehicle. that
Get
doesn't
away
come back to
from
your
me.
vehicle.
Get away from me. I'm done with you.
You want me to explain it? All right.
I don't want. No, I don't
anytime
care.
we
I
see
don't
a
care.
tag like that,
I don't
we can't
care.
make contact with you. Make sure the
No, you
vehicle's
can't.
not. Look it
You
up.
can't. You can do whatever you
Look it
want, but I
Look it
don't
up.
have to
All right, be
comply
careful.
with you because I didn't do anything illegal. So
Actually, that tag is not legal. So
actually, it is.
no, it's not.
Are you taking it off my car?
It's not legal.
You're taking it off my car? Are you serious? They just took my registration off of my car. It's a temporary tag. It's a temporary tag. It's not fake. It's real. ADOT gave it to me. Give it back to me. You just stole my license plate.
Who gave it to you?
ADOT, Arizona Department of Transportation. Give me back my license plate. Give it back to me. I will sue the shit out of you. Personally.
Hey, listen, buddy.
No, not listen. Give me back my plate. That's a real fucking problem for me. No, there's nothing to explain. Give me back my plate and leave me alone.
We ran the VIN on this vehicle.
That's fine.
That registration is not registered to this
It
vehicle.
is registered to this
I
vehicle.
promise you it's not.
It
They
is.
just ran it. They just ran
You
it.
guys have a problem with your system. That's not my
It's not
problem.
our system. It's the entire United States system.
Why did they give it to me then?
Hang on a second, sir. Now we're checking in with Arizona. Since
There
you
you
just
go.
now said Arizona.
There you go.
You just said
A
that, though.
dot genius.
That doesn't mean anything to us.
Fucking ginger. Piece of shit. Ripping it off my car, you piece of shit.
Well, if it's a legal tag, I have the right to it.
It's
It
not
doesn't come back to
illegal.
anything in
You're a
Texas.
fucking idiot. Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what you're fucking doing to me, and you're acting like I'm the bad guy. Get the fuck out of here and give me my license plate.
What's your name, sir?
What's your name?
What's your name, sir?
No, fuck
I can
you.
give it
What's
back
your
to you if we
license
can verify
plate?
who you are.
Yeah, Curtis Clark. Now give me my shit. Was it difficult for you to leave me the fuck alone? And not tear shit off my fucking car that belongs to me? You are a piece of shit.
You have that opinion. That's
I have
sir.
the right to not be harassed by you
No one's
three.
harassing you.
You are, motherfucker.
Nope.
You just tore off my license plate, you fucking ginger.
Yep, I am, sir.
This video serves as yet another reminder of why you should always film the police and know your rights. Whether it's out of ignorance or outright disregard for the law, too many officers believe they can operate without accountability. But as we saw today, standing firm and questioning their actions can make a difference. Without citizen oversight, abuse of power will only continue unchecked. Remember, knowledge is your best defense. Stay informed, always record, and never let intimidation strip away your rights.